Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a very quick and easy way to get a different styling for the current navigation link of the page that you are currently on. So for example, this is the about page for the website of a client that I'm working on right now, but you can see in the navigation that the about link isn't bold. It has the same design as every other link, which is of course not what we want. So for this navigation, I am using a component, which means that this navigation will be exactly the same on every other page. That's intentional because if I want to update a URL or a logo, I want it to be updated to every other page as well automatically without having to manually change the navigation on every other page. But this comes with an additional challenge because how can I now get a different style for the navigation item of the page that we are currently on? It's actually very easy to do. And the thing you have to do to make it work is you have to link up the navigation buttons to the right pages. So if I open up my navigation and I go to the work page, for example, I can see if I click the little icon here, that this is linked to a page and it's called the work page, which is perfectly fine. It's linked to an internal page of our Webflow site. But if we go to the about page, which is the page that we are currently on, we can see that this one is linked to an external URL and it just has this hashtag, this placeholder, which is not correct. So we need to link it up to a page, the about page. So after doing this, Webflow knows that this page is the current page, that you're currently on the about page. And when you go now to the navigation link and you click on it, you can see that this current state appears. So now, if I change it to bold, you'll see that only the about page will get the bold layout. And since we know that the work page has also been correctly linked to a different page, we can click the work page and the styling will be applied here as well without doing any additional work. And that's it. That's how you make a different styling for the navigation link of the page that you are currently on. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon.